Hi. This will be their last movie for now as Don Bell.
Love you, dogs.
I love you more.
I love you more.
Always work best together. Why do it for someone else if we can do it for ourselves?
I'm not joining you. Are we okay?
It's about responsibility.
Akala ko ba wala akong dapat patunayan sa'yo?
Hindi ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng gusto mo, susundin ko.
Why? Wow. Just wow. It's a different angle of Donnie and Belle. Whew, I'm so excited to watch this. For sure, maraming makaka-relate. And I'll do a vlog. See ya, guys. So, ang bilis yung transition. Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan namin si Donnie?
Wala, pag ako talaga hindi umiyak, papaka-refund ko yung ticket. Hindi kita papayaran, Ate Shino, ako umiyak.
Excited ako to see yung bagong character. Naging minion. Hindi. Yes, let's go. I'm excited. See you, Donnie. Sa Shell na lang tayo magkita. This is us. Yung mga mata namin.
Malinaw pa, di ba? Kasi linaw ng liwanag.
I'll update you guys later. Pero hindi ko kayo spoil. Don't worry. Tsaka baka matagal ko pati upload. We're done watching tayo sa wakas.
Sis, kung masasaktan ka lang.
Ipapost ko naman to guys mga after 1 year.
Kapag nakaba na ulit yung buhok ni Donnie.
Sabi ko lang ay ano.
Ang pogi ni Donnie.
Yan, pogi talaga siya. Na-idol ko talaga yung mga director and writer
Happy all the way.
of the story. Pero hindi ko na-expect yung ano nun.
Yung plot twist.
So, manood na lang kayo guys. Thank you for watching with me.
With us.
Thank you for watching with us guys. And see you sa aming see you sa aming next movie. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense at all.
Sige, Donnie, gets ko na namin.
I'm gonna watch again tayo sa wakas part 2. Same friend ko. Gusto niya mapanood. Tayo sa wakas part 2 with her. Excited ka na?
Yes!
So,
Go Don Bell!
so ano naman yung na-expect mo sa movie?
Na-expect ko, I'm gonna try a lot. So, ready na aking mga tissue.
This is my second time and yeah, tingnan natin kung ano yung ano, mag-resonate sa akin sa movie. Kung it's still the same or alam mo yun, mapapaano ko. Wow! Grabe, ganun.
Isko, I'm not coming back.
Don't say that. Don't say that!
Ba't di ka ba naniniwala?
Because the thought of you coming back is the only thing keeping me alive.
So this is us after everything. Hindi yan umiyak. Ano lang, masakit lang yung mata niya. Masakit lang talaga ang ulo niya.
Grabe kaya, Don Bell. The best.
Sound check, sound check. Okay, rolling! Okay, hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin manood ng Tayo sa Wakas. The movie, Processing Together. And actually, pangalawang beses ko na itong napanood. Diba? Donnie, gano'n kita kamahal. And it's still the same. It hits me hard. So, sobrang galing nung craft and everything. Ano favorite line mo?
Favorite? Sinabi ni Belle na ano, like, iwan. Like, gusto ko yung part na kung paano i-support ni Cheska si Cisco. Eh, sobrang selfless talaga ni Cheska.
I love the lines when Belle said na, is this the only version of us that works for you? It's something na, it happens in a relationship generally. Kapag okay yung version na kayo, as a couple, I'm married already. So may mga ganun talaga na sometimes I don't like the version of us kapag ganito, always fighting pero of course I love the version of us kapag everything is smooth sailing and parang walang problema. Pero hindi kasi ganun mag-work yung isang relationship. It will be tested by time, by your character, individual. Sinabi niya yun, is this the version of us that really works for you?
Sa relationship talaga ate, di ba? Sobrang importante talaga ng selflessness. Hindi, di ba yung general?
Yeah.
Di ba married
Agree.
ka na? Kailangan talaga, parang yung heart mo is to really serve the person. To think highly of others than ourselves. Pating si Cisco sa point na inisip niya na lang yung sarili niyang ambisyon, yung sarili niyang business na lang, na hindi niya nakita lahat ng mga selflessness and yung love ni Cheska for him. It's more on giving talaga Giving, di ba? Makakapagbigay lang naman din talaga tayo if we are connected to the true source of everything.
Yeah.
Diba? Which is si God talaga.
Of course.
So, grabe kayo doon, nagpaiyak kayo.
Panagutan niya yung emosyon namin. Same emotion na ganun talaga siya, up and down, up and down. Kasi I journey with them.
Wow!
Kasama yan. Kasama sa mga taping. No, I mean, I journey with them when it comes sa mga movie nila. Aamin na ako, guys. Ako talaga yung PA ni Donnie, kaya alam ko yung mga schedule niya. Journey ako with them from Miss Into Her, Inconvenient Love, Love is Colorblind, alam mo yun, Can't Buy Me Love, How to Spot a Red Flag. Madami. Tapos, syempre, their individual movie nila. So, yun na, nakita ko lang yung craft. Grabe lang na, Donnie, ang galing mo. Ang iba rin yung emosyon na binuhos. And always a fan of creatives. I really love creatives. Kapag, kunyari, napag-usapan niya yung mga pagdidirect and everything. Basta anything about creativity, gusto ko yun. So, it makes me alive kapag yun yung topic. And so, yung sinabi nila sa pre-conference nila na the movie is something, ikaw yung magdetermine ano yung anggulo na pipiliin mo sa movie or paano ka makaka-relate. Kasi kikiligin ka, iyak ka, samiyak ba? Basta, iba-ibang klaseng emosyon. Direct Kati, ang galing mo din. And grabe lang.
Very
grabe lang.
unexpected yung plot twist.
And siguro before we end this, ikaw ba, do you have anything want to say? Maybe advice na nakuha mo from the movie? Or in general?
For me, when you enter a relationship, a commitment, talagang you cherish, you love the person. You should not take for granted talaga. Sa huli, di ba? Paano kapag nawala na? Tapos yung person, dun lang marirealize na ay mahalaga pala sa akin yung taong to, ay mahal ko pala talaga siya. Pero what if it's already too late?
I-spoil ko na kayo kasi napanood nyo na to. Pag in-upload ko na to. So, meron doon sa bandang dulo na he wants na gumaling si Cheska. Gusto niya lang bang gawin yon or gumaling si Belle because of him. So, parang, you complete me, ganun. Gusto niya bang gawin yon because gusto niyang mabuhay talaga si Belle. In reality, it's something for me na I'm doing this because of what? Because of my personal gain, or ginagawa ko talaga yun just for the person. Para sa kanya talaga, it's not for my own gain. So, ako, yun yung isa. And yung pangalawa, yes. So, yung pangalawa, kasi pangalawa ko na to kasi napanood eh. Yung pangalawa is, yung something na may kasama ka sa dreams mo as you go together. Importante na clear kayo, as one kayo yon. As one kayo ng partner nyo. You know all your non-negotiables and negotiables together so that when you enter a relationship, okay, ayaw niya pala yun. Okay, gusto niya pala yun. Or okay, nabibisit pala siya sa mga ganong relationship. So, may husband, Donnie, Inan pala. So, Inan. So, may husband, no knows everything about me. So, alam niya kapag ayoko, tingin ko pa lang, alam niya hindi ako sasama. Tingin ko pa lang, alam niya hindi ko gusto yung nangyari sa paligid ko. So, alam niya, minsan na kahit hindi tingin pa lang, masense lang niya. Something like that. Alam niya yung mga negotiables and non-negotiables ko. So, yun, it's very clear to us. Maraming aspect yung movie. Maraming angulo as a single person, as a married person. Marami. Hindi lang siya about romantic relationship. Even friendship, makaka-relate ka din doon. So, yun lang.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. See ya.